Okay, cool. All right. Morning, everybody, or afternoon for some of you. Okay. Okay, so I took attendance. Let's see. Sorry, my computer's super slow. So lag metrics. So I've got the spreadsheet up. Do you want me to pull that up?
I mean, it hasn't changed since last week, so we probably don't need to pull it up again.
Okay, so 14% ready. So the lead metrics, I've got Rena says he's got already included 1 plus 7, so 1,226. Is that changed, Rena, or is that correct?
I just put it in.
Okay.
You guys want to know how many subscribers have you gotten at permissionless?
Yes, please.
7.
Wow.
That's okay.
With
we got shirts on. We're doing something.
13 people have visited the landing page, and 7 of them have subscribed. Got to get those numbers up. Our average per these conferences is around 18 to 20 subscribers. So that's our average.
Oh,
but I think you guys still have a few more days.
There you go. A lot more partying. Okay.
Today's the last day.
Exactly, yeah. And anything, community sign up for the campaigns?
No news there, just NNS for now.
Okay. What did you want me to put, 0 or just?
Well, it's at 1, so plus 0, yeah.
Plus 1? Okay. Sorry, my computer's super slow. Bug features working on the taxman. Is Tom on the phone? I don't think he's on the phone, is he?
He is, yeah.
Okay. About taxman? The lead metrics?
GM, folks.
GM.
Nothing for Taxman, but we did push through a couple of bug fixes and content updates for the website. Lynx and I were jamming on out of it yesterday.
Okay. All right.
So I would say there's at least 2, maybe even more there.
2
things that we worked on, yeah.
Okay. And then Jesse's not on the call, right? Nope. We don't know about the completion of the alpha.
I would say that we're at 0%. They're kind of blocked on me a little bit. I'm hoping that this week I can start working on that.
Got it. Okay. And then the U.S. It looks like you already completed that. U.S. legal entity. Team-wide announcements. Okay, I'm already taking notes. Any other announcements we put under team-wide?
I can't think of any.
Okay.
Anyone else have anything that's pertinent to team-wide?
Nothing? Okay.
No, nothing major. Just, we've had a lot of great responses from people here. People seem to get it even more so than other conferences, I feel. I feel like our messaging is a little clearer as to what we're offering. And yeah, I feel like there's a lot of potential to unblock that grant very, very soon. We shall see.
Yeah, we definitely had some people saying you should seek grants. You just need to adjust the way you're asking for them. So it's definitely a step up from at least the conferences I've been to. They get it.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Oh, you also got best swag, by the way, according to Bankless HQ.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I nominated you.
Amazing.
That's That's fantastic. The only
I'll take
problem
it.
is that the QR codes don't scan.
Oh,
Oh, you're
down on the
kidding
back?
me.
No, they don't. Yeah,
Did
but
it work?
Oh,
that's okay. Next time we'll just do smaller. I think smaller at the base of the neck is a good spot because then they're not always covered by a backpack.
agreed. I would even do the front somewhere, to be honest.
Yeah, front and back. I mean, if someone's gonna scan us, they're gonna scan us from either side.
Yeah,
Like one
learning our lessons.
on each arm. No, maybe that's overkill.
And I should put QR codes don't work, right? Don't scan.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is there any new member intros? Links, do you recognize anybody or anybody that's brand new?
No, I think everyone's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just put that. Oops. Okay, so proof of concept milestone perspectives. Oops, where we go? Yes. Okay, so funding. So any updates on the grants?
So no update on Gnosis or Safe. We expect by the end of September to get an update from them. When we talked to NounsDAO, we were kind of thinking maybe we could do a grant ahead of time. But it's a little bit hectic right now with their fork. So they suggested we wait until after, get a proof of concept going. I think, like, especially because of the fork as well, it's also good for us to have these kinds of culture initiatives with them. So all this to say that we may be able to get a retro grant from Nouns, but not a pre-grant. Another thing, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, and you said a retro grant with NounsDAO?
Yeah, that's what they suggested, that we execute and then ask for a retro grant.
Got it.
Another thing I would bring up is yesterday I met someone who said they could connect me with the head of the OP grants, and so they already connected me. I just need to email them, but that is something that I'll try to set up as well. Because I think, OP mainly does retro grants as well, but he was saying, I was asking for advice on, like, people when we were looking for grants, they don't, they think we're too for profit, and he was like, you should talk to this person because she helps people word their grants in a way that fits the criteria. So we'll see, but yeah, that's an update on that. On the investment side, well, we're just really trying to build relationships, especially with Bankless Ventures. I think once we run the POC, we'll be in a position where, like, VC investment is unlocked by a POC. So there's nothing we can do right now to get investment from them, really. All we can do is make ourselves known. And so that's what we're trying to do. Actually, NF Thinker and I have a coffee in about 45 minutes with Bankless Ventures. So yeah, that's where we're at on investments. For the cost sheet, actually, that's I would say my top priority let's say second from top priority this week, beyond the legal entity. But I just want to get a cost sheet for both Transcard and for Gnosis Pay updated, so we can kind of understand how much it's really going to cost. I did it very high level for our financials, and it should be, sufficient. But I will try to get a little bit more detailed for these ones, because I think the POC, it's good for us to get it a bit more detailed. Yeah, so that's everything.
So for the cost sheet, and my apologies, the cost sheet, what was the two companies you said?
Transcard.
Oh, Transcard I heard, and what was the other one?
Yeah. Gnosis Pay.
Oh, Gnosis Pay. Sorry. Gnosis Pay. Need for POC. Got it. Okay. The app.
I will give an update on this. Actually, Hazu has asked that we change it to what? Oh no, maybe it was app. Anyways, so I spoke with both Tom and Hazu separately this week and last week, and we are going to kick off our product sync again. So it's on Mondays now. So we're going to have a product sync. We're going to meet on a weekly basis, and we're going to start moving through the things that are required for a POC. I think the first thing that's required are requirements. And so for the requirements, I'm going to need to, like, basically I have a process that I go through for software development. So I'll start that process with the requirements that we need and writing down use cases as well. I'd like to get both Hazu and Anaphant kind of like acquainted with the process that I like to use so that they can kind of push it forward. Like they can kind of take over at some point. So I won't need to continue to be driving that work stream because it's helpful to have a teammate doing it. All this to say that, all this to say that we are hopefully going to be starting this week. So we have our first meeting on Monday, and we'll go from there.
Okay. Sorry, let me. Shadow by oh, I got that right. Okay. Card issuing. We've signed up with the card issuing. It looks like you've already filled this out, Links.
Yes.
So so U.S. blocked on U.S. entities, met with Canadian provider. This is the 100K needed up. Really? 100K needed up front. But 100% interchange pass through, and can also update by page if not as important. And then legal, we have all the legal need. Panama docs up on Notion. U.S. entity will likely be a wholly owned LLC. This will avoid us having U.S.-based directors, okay? And then can we do this with Northern something agents? Is that supposed to be one word?
I think I think it's misspelled. It's Northern Registered Agents.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
So I was on. They seem like they can do what we need. Otherwise, Hero Kennelly also hooked us up with another lawyer who could probably do it for around 1 to 2K. He said. So we'll see. I need to do a little bit more reading before I kind of pull the trigger, but I'm hoping to at least get that in like this week. Before this next meeting, I would like to get the LLC kind of registered, or at least starting to be registered.
Hello? Oh.
Yeah, that's it. That's it on the legal entity side.
Okay. Dow Partners, NF.
Hello. Yes, so we are, in terms of communities, we have Nouns DAO, which is pretty much confirmed. Dom sent us through a big message the other day, and I haven't gone through it properly, so I need to sit down and do that today. But yeah, we're just working out basically the terms of agreement in terms of like, we're going to have to work on brand usage, we're going to have to work on tokens, like how often we get them, what does the emission look like to us, and then what does the emission look like to our users on a monthly basis. Beyond Nouns DAO, we have had some talks with ApeCoin DAO. We're connected now with one of the governance stewards, and we're going to set up a meeting with him in the coming week. So we'll see what happens there. I think that's going to fall under a marketing initiative, and they still need to appoint their marketing stewards. So I don't think we'll be able to do anything with them until they have their marketing stewards in place. But it looks like it could be one of their primary initiatives once they're appointed. Beyond 8 and nouns, lots of different opportunities out there, but nothing solid yet. So we'll just keep working on leads.
Stewards. Got it. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Okay, Reynes, launch campaign.
I was muted and talking. Yes, we started last week to flush out the main goals of the launch campaign, and we came to the conclusion that our main goal is to sign up as many users from the communities that we launched with. So our first steps were to fully discover Bankless DAO communication channels, how we could communicate to the Bankless DAO community to sign up and use these cards. And
I'm gonna hire my shirt real quick. Do you want to take scooters down or Ubers?
NF Thinker,
Okay, cool. Yeah,
I can hear you.
I gotta go to this. Oh, sorry, guys. Anyway, right there.
yeah, but the same goes with Nouns DAO and any other DAO we decide to launch with. First step, if we know that we are launching with that DAO, is to discover their communication channels, and that's the first step that we got into. Further to be found out. The launch campaign is not yet ready, but the first big step has been made.
Awesome.
Regarding usual communications activities, still we have not stopped anything. Tomorrow we are posting a creatives intro to DAOs, the article for which we have an email prepared by March and videos prepared by Andy to go out sequentially after the post of the article. So all is moving. Is in motion.
Awesome. Thank you for that response, by the way, on the channel.
Oh, no worries. This article has been in the works for a long time, so I just I realized that we might not have said about that at all.
No, that's okay. That's okay, because it was just, it was like, oh, okay. But no, I was obviously not aware. No worries.
March wrote it, I think, during winter or something like that. So, yeah.
Got it.
It's been
okay.
awesome.
All right. Mr. Tom and links. Our website, taxman/blog. Update.
I think largely the small issues that we had tackled earlier with the content on the landing page were principally the things that we tackled over the previous week. And I'm sure there's a few technical issues on my back burner that I'm working my way through on that website as well.
I got it. Choose. Got it. Okay. Let's see. Task perspective. Let's see Asana.
I just give you access, so you should be able to access it. But if not, I'll cast from my phone.
Okay. Let me see. Let me know. Hopefully, if I just click on this.
If you click on it, it should work. We'll see.
Thinking.
Computers always be thinking.
Man, it needs coffee. Oh, yep, I think it's working. Gotcha.
Very slowly.
Holy cow. Is it supposed to be this slow?
I don't think it's supposed to.
Damn. Wow. Okay.
It's coming in slowly but
Yeah.
surely.
Yeah. My apologies. I have a
That's not your
feeling
fault.
that- like, oh my god. I was even prepped and had to sign in, so I was like, oh my gosh. Okay. Good. Projects. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's almost fully loaded. Okay, got it. It's up. Can you see that on the screen, or do I need
Yeah.
to? Okay, got
I
it.
can see it. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I just need to. Okay, so where do you want me to start? Just start at the top at the inbox, or
Yeah.
through the? Okay,
Start at the top and work your way down. Stuff at the
got
top is
it.
always more important.
Okay, got it. All right. So the milestone we have signed with an issuing partner. That's Ulinks.
We can put that into in progress.
Okay, so
You can put it into
progress.
this week section.
Okay. Oops.
Yeah. So if you click on the thing itself,
Just drag it.
I think, yeah, you can drag it. There's also a way to do it on the screen there, but yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
My apologies. I'm not as good as links on this, so you're gonna have to
That's
deal
okay.
with me.
Oh yeah. No, don't worry. I think it's good that everyone gets practice on this. I think anyone should be able to lead this meeting, right? So if you're getting practice, it's a good thing.
Yeah. Okay. Milestones. We have issued a. Did we just duplicate it? No. We just we have signed a card issuing partner.
That's the one that we just talked about.
Okay, so it didn't drag it. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. I can
It did.
move it. No, I can move it. I think you moved our POC launch campaign
I
is
did.
ready. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, probably. Okay. Okay, I'll go to this next one. Enough. So we partnered with 1 to 3 DAOs for POC.
Yeah, let me just zoom in and see this task here. So I would say, create a DAO hit list. We've pretty much started working on that. We have a good hit list on the way. Needs refinement in terms of now naming service. That's what I mentioned earlier. So we need to figure out the tokenomics side of things, what the emission looks like from them to us, and what the emission looks like from us to the customers. And then we need to start working out some marketing collateral. I think marketing collateral is probably the most important next step with Nouns DAO, because we got to start, pumping this in their community and getting it out there and get a card design done. We might even add in 3D card model to that. I think a 3D card model is the best next step for our marketing, and then work out lots of figure out what else we need in terms of collateral as well.
It's a 3D card image. Is that what it is?
Yeah, exactly. 3D card image, and that's something that we can use both in video and in stills. We can take stills of that and, print it on things, stick it in a Twitter post, kind of do it anywhere. And there will be a lot of other stuff that we need to get done for that. We were going to have a branded sign-up page. So when people come, similar to what we have with the Convert Kit for the different events that we do, it needs to be like that, but with Nouns branding.
Yep. Okay. All right. Let's see. How do I get out of this? Okay, so wow, this is super slow on my system. Okay, so then it goes to milestones. We have legal entities. I think you've already updated this, right, Links?
Yeah, I think so.
Super slow.
Yeah.
Because this is what you were talking about on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. So next step is to just get that legal entity starting to be registered.
Okay, got it. Okay, blocked waiting needs feedback. The grant's safe now?
Yeah, we're just waiting on them to come back to us. Their grants council is kind of working through all the grant proposals.
Okay. All right. This week. Okay, so I'll just say awaiting back from, whoops, I'm on the wrong one. Okay, so for the blocked waiting needs feedback, do we need to put anything on this links?
No, you can just leave it there for now. It's there's a date on it. Basically, if I haven't heard back by that time, I'll just bug them.
Okay. The next one is milestones. We have signed a card with a card issuer or card issuing.
Yeah, this one's a little less important, so you can drag it down further down the list. Create a Delaware C Corp is the top on the list, which is a little bit further down.
Okay.
Yeah. One thing I didn't update as well is create a Panama Foundation is complete. So you can put that into the done section and we can mark it off.
Okay, so I'm going to put, hold on. Whoops.
No, that's okay.
Can you do that? Sorry. Oh my God. I can't do it. It's like, I don't know, it's delayed. I'm having major problems with it getting done. I'm sorry.
No, not at all.
Fix that later.
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's see. Okay, so card issuer. Okay, so POC launch of campaign. So this is, okay, that's me. So this one is that has to do with sort of more of the, well, there's two POCs. There's the one that's the, the actual POCs for all the campaigns, and then this is the actual POC for this is the one for that, and then of course the one for the different ones, like for the launch. So I have no updates on that right now. Okay. Then we have the funding needed to, is the next one for the milestone, needed to launch POC. And that was the update we're just awaiting, right?
Yeah, it's a milestone. Yeah, so like we're working on it. We have the grants in progress. We have well, I mean, I guess the next thing after that is the crowdfund. We really need to like kind of figure out our plan for that. But yeah, I would say we're gonna keep pushing on these grants for a bit, and we'll start working on the crowdfund after we get the POC. The like product workstream kicked off, then we'll start getting deeper into the crowdfund, or at least I will, unless anyone else has additional time that they want to start like kind of planning our crowdfund. That is open to someone who wants to try.
Okay. Transcard.
Yeah, so for Transcard, we're blocked essentially. So you can put that in the block section, but we need our U.S. legal entity before we keep moving forward on that.
Okay. I have problems dragging and dropping because I'm grabbing the wrong stuff. I'm sorry. All right, I'll just keep on going and see if I can. In the links, you might have to fix a lot of where these things go.
Don't worry about
it. Partners, B4U.
Yeah, so B4U, this is like a lower, basically the person at B4U is helping us is going to help us get through bank diligence. They are someone who's like deep into the card industry, and so we're going to leverage their experience through Victor to help us get the banks on board with us.
Got it. Okay. Website. It froze up again. Are you still there? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay. So for the website, oh wait, that's who's PU?
I don't know.
If you, well, let me just check on my side. I'll click on Asana in here and see who it is. I mean, it sounds like someone I would have assigned, but let's see. Website view. Oh, it's Tom Tramner. Okay. Yeah, he's been working away at this stuff. I think he already mentioned it.
That my new initials, PU. I got to come up
Yeah.
with some good name. Good description. Paul Underwood. That's me.
Oh, I thought it meant something else.
I think it must be private user or something, right? I don't know that
Yeah.
I had a private profile, but maybe that's what it is, something like that.
No, yeah, it's because we're using the free plan of Asana. For Coffee Crusher is not an admin. I'm the only admin, so she can't see everyone.
Right. Okay. So any updates, anything about the website?
Tom already gave an
so
update
far.
earlier. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh yeah, it's
Okay.
nothing in addition to that for the next version of V2, but we're always going to keep looking at tweaks to move it forward. And I imagine when we all sync together on our product meet, we'll have some particular areas of focus that we want to pitch forward for pushing it on the website. So.
Got it. Okay. Now I've got. I'm gonna get back to that page. Somehow I've gotten off. My system's like slowing down for some reason. Thanks. Not. How do I get out of this one? Links. I'm sorry. It's not letting me. It's locking up.
Maybe refresh the page. I don't know if that's gonna cause a 20-minute delay or anything, but yeah.
All right. Damn. I can't get back to the. No.
Are you on a Windows machine? If so, press Control R.
Nope.
Oh no, that's not what I thought would happen.
Hold on. Now it went totally dark.
Okay, I can.
I'm so sorry. It just sort of died on me.
That's no problem. I can share my screen. I just need you to stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
All right. Here, share my screen.
Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. It's just starting to broadcast now. And I'm not sure if you can see my screen now, but can you see Asana?
Yes.
Okay, great. All right. Website V2, go to market strategy doc. How's this going?
Have no updates on that right now.
All right. Okay. Customer journey maps. Renus, how are you doing on this one? Renus?
He's not in. He's muted.
Okay. I can't see Discord, so I'm not quite sure if people are muted.
Sorry, I'm unmuted now. What's up, guys?
No, Rainus.
I got replaced by father.
Hold on. What did you say, Coffee Crusher?
Looking for Rainus. He's muted.
Sorry, I thought you were looking for me, and I had a crazy homeless lady trying to get money from me.
No, it's okay.
That's okay. We can pass over this. Create a way to set the date range. Tom Tramner, I think you have a pull request up for this. Is that right?
Yeah, principally the thing that we're working on that's got me held up is still figuring out some tricky API fallback solutions when we can't get that historical pricing data. So that's still on my back burner to do in my court.
Is it the user side of it, or is it like the code side of it?
It's the back end side of it. So it would be the way that when users request to pull those transactions, I need to do some checking for out of available range for the data sets that I already had provided, and do some fallback calls to the CoinGecko historical API. The main issue that I was running into with that is that I was slamming into the API rate limit pretty readily with my wallet when I was testing it. So I was trying to figure out if there was a way I could do it, either by slowing it down or maybe erroring out for the user if we were unable to get that data in a reasonable amount of time.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's a good first step. My phone locked itself. Okay. All right. Next up, we have how crypto cards make money. How's this going, Coffee Crusher?
Have not been working on that at all this week, but I will get something. I will start on that in the next 2 days or so, because I want to just get it off my plate, so to speak, get it done.
All right, awesome. Yeah, that's a foundational piece of content, so we can definitely push it heavily once it's complete.
Yep.
All right, BCard ambassadors.
Rainus?
Oh yeah, Rainus might not be here.
No, I'm here. I was in the bathroom. If there
Okay.
was anything previously asked, sorry, I missed that. But BCard ambassadors, no updates yet. I'm thinking I might have to just start going to these projects podcasts that we have and more media notes and such. And offering them this initiative option. But from Bankless Spanish, there is currently no updates.
Okay. And what about the customer journey maps, Rainus?
Shit. those are stuck. This week, I will put it onto my priority to get some progress on those.
Yeah. I mean, if you need if you need help prioritizing, like in general, I think that like getting that content out and even thinking about the crowdfund might be useful endeavor. Yeah, I think the customer journey maps are useful as well. But yeah, just a thing to note.
You cut out in the middle of your sentence for me.
You know what? Never mind. Actually, disregard what I just said. Anyways, that's fine.
All right.
All right. Glean.ai. How's this going, NF Thinker? I think NF Thinker may be en route.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm on move. Next to a very loud train. But Green is pretty much in the same spot it was last week. We haven't done anything with it in the server. I don't know if you checked that channel lately. He said he was going to come up with a tag that we could put on Notion pages to make it private, non-readable from following up with him. Yeah. So I just need to follow up about the privacy tag.
Okay. Cool.
Are you at the conference center link still?
I am. Do you want me to come out and meet you? Are you somewhere around here?
I'm on the corner. Yeah, I'm on the corner of Trinity and Fourth.
All right, great. I'll come meet you. Other than that, just gonna go back here, and I think that's it for Asana.
Okay.
Oh, did I somehow stop sharing? Yeah, okay. I stopped sharing. I wasn't quite sure. I thought I was sharing my screen, but it's not sharing anymore. So
That's okay. Do you want to go back to the all hands?
yeah, we can. I guess we're just that things that we're filling out.
Oh, you're cutting out again. Oh, so the only thing we had, do you want me to just share my screen real quick? Okay, so the only thing we had was just sort of favorite part of the conference, I guess, or anything regarding the conference, or
Yeah, so we're here for one. I mean, I oh wow, I can hear myself echoing. I hope that doesn't keep happening.
no, and we can't hear you echoing, by the way.
For one more day, just wanted to solicit any kind of ideas if anyone wants us to do something while we're here.
Did you guys do any, like, have you met any, I presume you're meeting with people and so forth, like you're talking to people. Is there any way that you can get more photos for me? So I can promote, sort of like get more visibility? Absolutely. I mean, other than the guy that said, what's his card, which looks like it was left in the bathroom.
Sorry, my internet cut out there for a second.
Yeah. Yeah, just
more photos. So yeah, we can get
more photos. Sure. Yeah, more photos. Just show,
you know. Where the guy said it thought it was in the bathroom.
Well, it looked like it was taken in the bathroom. I don't think it was. It was. It looked like he had found it in the bathroom. I hope not. Not on our Twitter page, by the way, but and we're getting shared by Permissionless Conference as well, by the one that you guys took with the photo with the girls that are like the staff, you know, from the Permissionless team. So that actually got shared on their 17,000 followers, so which was pretty cool.
So if we can do any other cross promo stuff, is that what you're saying?
Yes, because I can tag them, and then I can get them to share it. And add a little bit about, you know, Bankless Card, you know, like include a little bit about BCard in it, so then it gets shared to their network.
Hey, and I figure, where are you on Trinity?
Sorry, I dropped out there for a second.
Are you on the corner at Trinity? I can't see you.
Trinity and Fourth.
Oh, I went down to second, I think.
Oh. I see you.
On my way.
That was nice.
Question for you: how's the turnout for the conference? Is it busy? Is it like as big as last year? Is it, you know?
It is probably not as busy as it was, but it is still very busy. There's a lot of people here. The vibe is quite different. It's not quite as sort of yacht club. It's more builder atmosphere.
Okay.
And yeah, you can tell that it's more computer nerds than VC. So yeah, no, very good vibe here. Had a lot of Bankless now people who are like inactive in the server, and they've been talking about getting more involved. I just walked by this guy Aldi, who is he works in compliance at a high level for a consultancy, and I was like, hey, you know, just swing by and help out if you want to get involved. And it's been kind of like that.
Oh, that's cool. Kind of people coming back to BDAL.
It is, and it has always been all about the vibes.
Yeah. So in regards to photos, even if it's like if you get with like people that are well known on social, that are well, you know, I don't want to say famous, but you know what I mean. So I can, you know, that will have an audience, and then we can get more pickup, and then I can add more. Like I can throw in like what I write. We'll include something about the card, just to get visibility on the socials. So yeah,
there may be some people tonight at this barbecue.
You guys are doing so there's another party event tonight for BDAO?
Yep, there is.
Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. Well, great job, guys.
Thank you. Great support team. You guys are smashing it.
Yeah, it's fun. Fun. I feel like I'm pseudo there.
And F Links have a great meeting coming up.
Yeah, it's a bit of a cheeky move that we're doing, but we'll see what happens.
No, it's not cheeky. I think they expect you to show up. We did RSVP, and I got it, and Links did it. So we're just rock up like we're one person.
Oh, you guys are doing the Wednesday. Oh, I know what you're doing. You're doing
We're going
that.
to permissionlessly show up.
Oh, are you really? There you go. I know exactly where you guys are going.
Link got permissionlessly show up. I'm going to show up with permission.
Yeah, he's got permission. Yeah.
And I will get forgiveness.
He thinks just because he won the poker tournament, he's invincible now.
Yep. That's awesome. So cool guys. Awesome. Yeah, get me some good shareable photos, and then I can I'll keep on going. And then it all ends tonight, right? That's the last of it.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Okay, cool. I think that was it.
All right. Thanks, everyone. Really appreciate it. Thanks for taking over leading the meeting, Coffee Crusher.
I tried to really badly, so thank you for saving me.
You did a great job.